linear equations in one variable. Now let us take an instance. For example, Raju and Ravi are playing games with numbers. Raju and Ravi are playing games with numbers. Now Raju tells that I think of a number and I double it, 3 is taken away from it, then I get 5. What is the number? Then Ravi immediately told the answer. But how could Ravi solve the problem? Let us see. According to the Raju statement, we don't know the number. So let us take the number be x. The unknown number be x. Double the number, then we get 2x. And 3 is taken away from 2x, means 3 is subtracted from 2x. So 2x minus 3. Then Raju gets 5 as the result. This equals to 5. Now you have to find out x value. If you observe this equation, now here we can see x minus 3, 5 and 2. So what are these called? Here the unknown quantity x is called the variable. The unknown quantity x is called the variable. And minus 3 or 5, these are called the constants. So variable means any unknown quantity is called a variable. Generally we use lowercase letters like a, b, c, x, y, z to represent the variables. And constant, any number, any numeral is called a constant, like minus 3, 5, 8, 7, any number. Any number is called a constant. Now let us see what is an algebraic expression. The combination of variables and constants with plus or minus sign is called an algebraic expression. Let us take the example 2x minus 3 equals to 5. Here 2x minus 3. So this is the combination of variable and constant with the minus sign. This is called an algebraic expression. Now let us take another example like 3y plus 7. It is also an algebraic expression. In this there is a variable y and constant 7 and the operation is plus. So this is also an algebraic expression. And what about 5? It is a numerical expression. And 5 plus 3, it is also a numerical expression. Now let us see what is an algebraic equation. The equality of two expressions involving variables and constants is called an algebraic equation. Here 2x minus 3, it is an algebraic expression. 5 is a numerical expression. Here equal to is there. The equality of two expressions, either algebraic expression or numerical expression with variables and constants. So the equality of two expressions with variables and constants is called an algebraic equation. Let us take another algebraic equation. 3t minus 5 equals to 8t plus 7. So this is also an algebraic equation. In this 3t minus 5 is an algebraic expression as well as 8t plus 7 is also an algebraic expression. This is an equality of two algebraic expressions. So this is an algebraic equation. Now let us revise what we know about an algebraic equation. So let us take the same example 2x minus 3 equals to 5. If you observe this algebraic equation, here we can see equality sign. So every algebraic equation has an equality sign. That is the first point to observe in any algebraic equation. So every algebraic equation has an equality sign. Now what is second? The expression on the left. What is the expression on the left of the algebraic expression? 2x minus 3. 2x, the expression on the left of equality sign, it is called LHS or left hand side. The expression on the left of equality sign is called left hand side, and the expression on the right of equality sign is called right hand side. So this is right hand side. This is LHS, this is RHS. Now the fourth point. In any algebraic equation, the values of LHS and RHS are equal. The values of LHS and RHS are equal. That means LHS equals to RHS. So these are the 4 points to be observed in any algebraic equation. Every algebraic equation has an equality sign, and the expression on the left of equality sign is called LHS. The expression on the right of algebraic equality sign is called RHS. And in any equation, the values of LHS and RHS are equal, means LHS equals to RHS. Now in any algebraic equation, LHS will be equal to RHS only for certain values of the variable. Let us take the same example, 2x minus 3 equals to 5. So for what value of x both LHS and RHS are equal? Let us substitute. If x equals to 1, now 2 into 1 minus 3 equals to 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1. But whereas RHS is 5. Means LHS is not equal to RHS. If you substitute x value 4, then LHS 2 into 4 minus 3 equals to 8 minus 3, this equals to 5. Whereas RHS also 5. So in this case, if x equals to 4, LHS equals to RHS. Here x equals to 4 is called the root or solution of the equation. For what value of the variable the equation satisfies, that value is called root or solution of the equation. Here x equals to 4 satisfies this equation, means making both LHS and RHS equal. So here x equals to 4 is called the solution of the algebraic equation.